my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today we're talking about the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Classic, a perfect blend of modern technology and retro design. Volkswagen has revived this iconic model, keeping its timeless aesthetics while incorporating advanced features and performance upgrades. The design pays homage to the original Karmann Ghia, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body that enhances both style and efficiency. The 2025 Karmann Ghia Classic stands out with its stylish and muscular body design. The front features classic round LED headlights and a modern chrome front bumper, maintaining its vintage identity. The smooth side profile, accented with chrome touches, enhances its elegance, while the rear is equipped with futuristic LED taillights that create a distinctive visual appeal. A dual exhaust system and a retro-style chrome rear bumper further refine its sporty and classic look. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia Classic offers a luxurious and premium experience. The dashboard is designed with classic wood and chrome accents, while the infotainment system features a modern touchscreen with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, providing both comfort and sophistication. Ambient lighting and refined interior trims add to the car's elegant appeal. In terms of performance, this car is expected to come in two versions: a gasoline-powered model and a fully electric variant. The gasoline version will likely feature a turbocharged engine producing around 200 to 250 horsepower, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. Meanwhile, the electric version is expected to come with a powerful battery pack, offering a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge. Its advanced suspension system and balanced weight distribution promise smooth handling and superior ride quality. Volkswagen has not yet revealed the exact launch date, but reports suggest that the 2025 Karmann Ghia Classic could hit the market by mid-2025. The estimated price range is expected to be between $50,000 and $70,000, depending on the variant and optional features. Are you excited about this modern retro combination? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates.